Hi there, Chef Jules here. Have you ever tried baking fruitcakes and they just never come out right? Whether it's Christmas on iced cakes or even wedding cakes? Listen up. Do you get discouraged when you have to soak the fruits for so many days ahead? Do you want to avoid any bitter aftertastes? Does your fruitcake always come out dry and rock hard and you feel bad after all that hard work? Do you want to avoid that alcoholic aftertastes? Let me show you how to bake fruitcakes to a moist texture with a nice tender crumb without a bitter alcoholic taste and cuts your fruit soaking time to not more than 10 minutes. Click on the link below to sign up.